Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to design your own flag. So, open your, web browser and type tennessine.co.uk/flags. And then it'll get you to this website where you can design, share, and print your flag. So we're going to just go through each of these here. So home, obviously. You get a blank little rectangle here to insert your flag. And then you got templates, so you can show the flags, my flags. As you can see, this is a PG flag, just extended a little bit. Featured flags, these are the featured flags of today. And then you got the templates of each flag. For example, let's put maybe, for example, I don't know, maybe for example this flag, right? It's divided into a lot of pieces, right? You can maybe extend this part, right? Make your own flag, rotate it, stuff like this. And then once you're done with that, you can insert maybe something from these shapes or from Wikimedia Commons. I could type crown. Sorry for the terrible internet. That's gonna give you many of the crowns from Wikimedia. So yeah, pretty helpful. You can maybe insert the ones that are already in here, like for example, the African fish eagle. There it is. You can really do a lot of stuff with this format, so you can actually configure this and put it. Oh, I don't know why there are two, but that's fine. You can change the shade of it. You can see the shade of everything. Here we go. You can even change the shade of this once you select it. As you can see, with the height and the rotation, you can change it maybe to green. Canvas. Some canvas related stuff. We're not going to go through that. And here are the layers. Just like in Photoshop, there are many layers. Which is really good because you can, deal with each layer instead of dealing with all of them at once, which could be a really bad thing. And then you got the download. Of course, once you finish, you can just download it with vector filters or bitmap filters, and either a PNG or SVG. Usually go with PNG and click download, and it's gonna be on your download folder. And that's it. This is just some printing steps. Here you go. You can read it by yourself, I guess. And that's it. Simple little thing to create your own flag, I guess. It's a really weird website. I just found it out of nowhere. But that's it. This is a little, video just so I can fill out this giant gap of absence because I've really been thinking of a lot of videos to do. Fortunately, didn't get any ideas, but now this is what you get. Thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and see you.